Hey everyone, it is daily tarot time. I have a spread already prepared from what I received this morning, so we're going to get right into it and see what we need to know for today. Alrighty, so we have lots of fire today, so let's get right into it. The Seven of Swords in reverse is giving, we can't have imposter syndrome, y'all. We have to be our authentic selves, but find different perspectives and be honest with ourselves at the same time. We have to know who we are. I am who I am. I'm going to live in my authenticity. I'm going to live in my truth and not compare myself to other people, because when we do that, we end up feeling like, who am I? And then we look on the outside of us, or the external, and we are always looking at how other people perceive us. But at the end of the day, it's how you see yourself. So be honest with yourself. Look at your life in a different light, different perspective, and don't have tunnel vision. Know that you are who you are and be okay with that. Stay in balance. We got temperance. Let's alchemize those negative and positive, or light and dark energies, to be in harmony. And that's what we are always looking to maintain, being in balance, being alchemists, and mastering all of our chakras, all of our emotions. This is a daily task. So remember to stay in harmony today, throughout the day, all day, every day, and just be conscious of being in alignment, resetting yourself throughout the day, and staying centered. So this is all about what temperance means. And then we have the Queen of Wands. We, ladies and gentlemen, are building our kingdoms and queendoms. This is all about being confident, staying determined, in all aspects of life. She has like charisma. She is like, yes, honey, it's my time to shine. So feel okay and be okay being seen. It's time to be bold and courageous. It's time for people to see your inner light. So don't be afraid to let it shine, okay? Then we have the Knight of Swords. What I'm getting is we're going to have to make some split second decisions. We're going to have to make haste with something soon, or you might have had to make a decision recently in a quick one, but just know that success is right around the corner as you run towards that which you are manifesting. Your dreams are and will come true. Just continue to stay determined and confident in every decision you make, and know that you will be successful. Then we have the Ace of Wands, which speaks to seeding potentials, new opportunities right around the corner. You being able to manifest that which you desire. So find inspiration in any and everything. Literally just be open to it. And next thing you know, whatever you desire, it will be manifested and will come true. Then we have the Three of Wands. She is waiting on the shore for that next opportunity or that next wave to come in. And when it does, just know that you'll know it when it comes. You'll be like, oh my gosh, I'm about to reach another milestone. I'm about to be successful in everything that I worked so hard for. So have a little patience, just wait on it. Continue to do the work, continue to seed the potential of new inspiration, like the Ace of Wands, and just know that everything is working out in your favor. This is a positive card for sure. Then we have the Ace of Wands, which is also a positive card. That means good news is on the way, y'all, and I'm super excited. Again, making decisions and trusting yourself. You will be successful. So I'm super happy that we got this spread. Hopefully you all feel the excitement like I do. Alrighty, with that said, I wanted to also pull a card from the Bloom deck. So let's see what we got. Okay, yay, we got some support with all that fire energy, all that actionable split-second decision making. We got some support. So it says, when I'm overwhelmed, I know it's okay to seek help. I was never meant to do it on my own. So support first and foremost comes from within ourselves first, and then we emanate that outwardly and we see it reflected back to us in the external world. So just a reminder that we are first. The world is our oyster. We support ourselves first. That means our inner child. When we went through all the trauma or traumatic experiences, we are the support first. We have to continue to meditate, continue to do visualization, our self-care, being out in nature, showing up for ourselves on a daily basis, meaning that when you set boundaries, you're consistently sticking with them and staying true to them. Those are just basic things that we have to maintain in order to show ourselves support. And when we do that for ourselves, again, we'll see that emanated outwardly, and we'll see that support reflected back at us through various people, different mediums, and different opportunities, so that we can continue to grow and manifest that which we desire. So with that said, that is our daily tarot reading for today. Thank you all for spending time with me this morning, and I look forward to talking to you soon. Alrighty, bye-bye.